Sarura Kids.
Hi everyone, welcome to Sarura Kids. My name is Ruva. We have plenty of things planned for you. Make sure to subscribe the button down below and to get more latest videos. Keep watching.
Hi, and welcome to Sarura Kids channel here on YouTube. We'd like to share with you the wonderful Shona language of Zimbabwe in Africa. If you haven't done so already, hit the like, share, or subscribe buttons below and help us to grow this channel. It really makes all the difference, and it helps us keep on bringing fun stuff straight to you. Our channel is here to help you learn and enjoy Shona. It's great for kids of all ages, and even if you're not a kid, you might just surprise yourself with some of the things you'll discover here. Really, it's never too early or too late to start speaking Shona. We have weekly updates, and if you want to be a part of our journey, just send us a message here on YouTube or on our Patreon page. Our Patreon page is linked in our About section or in our header. We just love hearing from you. So, from our two spokespeople, we would like to say, Tafara kukuzivai, muva nezuva rakanaka.